Everyone, I'm here in the store, guys. Kuya is the owner. He own here and I buy oil here. Huh? It's a race store. Everyone here. Their price here is cheaper from the supermarket, guys. They have a wholesale price. Thank you, Kuya. I say thank you to Kuya, everyone. I'm going home now, guys. Here in the market, we have also here. You can eat if you're hungry. They're eating, everyone. The food here is cheaper. Cheaper from other guys. Here, they have a wholesale price, so guys. It's cheaper than others, everyone.
What's your step, sabi ko?
So many people here and fish here, everyone. Lot of eggs, guys. May malunggay kayo?
Ubos na niyo lang, sige na lang. Mate.
I'm looking for a moringa, malunggay. I will cook a vegetable, everyone, with coconut milk.
Dito, salmon. Dito sa
Halina po kayo, murang cellphone case, AirPod Plus.
The sun is so bright, everyone. Here is a fresh vegetable. And I buy here dry fish, everyone. Magkano po ba yung labahita nyo? Pwedeng bumili ng 20 lang, ganon. Pabili po. I buy labahita, everyone here. It's only, yeah, 20 pesos because my vegetable is not so only half kilo, guys. And also here have a hot dog station. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a blessed day, everybody. Always take care of ourselves, guys. Also, guys, I buy spinach. Sino? Ate, yung ano po, yan, alokbate. Pabili po. Isa lang. Here, guys, it's a Have More store here. And you can buy a lot here, guys. The price of their product here, it's not too expensive. This is a wholesale price here, everyone. Isa lang po. I buy spinach water for my vegetable, everyone.
tubig mo. Bili ka na lang, hindi malamig tubig ko.
Halina po kayo, murang cellphone case, AirPod Plus. Halina po kayo.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody.
Halina po kayo. Murang cellphone case, tempered glass,
The sun is shining so
halina
bright
po kayo.
everywhere.
Murang cellphone case, tempered glass.
And have a Goldilocks here, guys, and the Jollibee 7-Eleven. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a blessed day, everybody.